So next, in the main sixth question, we have to solve the sixth question here. Here they given a figure. Just observe this figure. Again, in this figure, they given a two exterior angles. Exterior angles means where the angles are outside of the figure. Just observe here the 70 degree and 60 degree. These are the angles which are outside of the figure. So this means first step is we have to apply the linear pair angle. Using linear pair angle, we have to find these two values. Okay, we have to find these two angles. Okay, first apply here linear pair angle. I am applying which condition here? Linear pair of angles. So first we have to label the figure P, Q, R, S, T, U, V. Okay, I label this figure. I am going to apply the linear pair. The first linear pair is angle VTU plus angle VTS is equal to 180 degree. I am using a first for this side. Angle VTU plus angle VTS is equal to 180 degree. Here the figure is like this. Just observe. This is U, this is S, and this is the V and T. VTS, VTS, UTS, UTS, VT, VT. Okay. This is the linear pair angle. Here the given one side of the angle is 70 degree. We have to find another angle. You may give the any variable as A, B, anything. I am giving a name as A. VTU is how much here? 70 degree. VTU is 70 degree. Keep plus as it is. VTS, we don't know the value of VTS. So, give the any variable or keep VTS as it is, which is equal to 180 degree. Next, 70 degree is the constant number. So, when it goes to the right hand side, plus 70 become a minus 70 degree. So, VTS, angle VTS is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. Here VTS I am giving a name as A. So, take a variable A is equal to 180 minus 70 degrees, how much here? 110 degree. So, this side is how much we get here? 110 degree. This is 110 degree. Okay. This value is angle T value is how much? The interior angle T value is 110 degree. Next here we have one more linear pair condition, this one. So again apply here. Again apply linear pair condition QSR plus angle QST is equal to 180 degree. Angle QSR plus angle QST is equal to 180 degree. Again I am applying a condition linear pair of angles. QSR, this is a figure like this. It is a TSR, it is a Q. Yes. Here QST is how much here? QST is not given. So it is a question mark. QSR how much here? 60 degree. The angle QSR is how much here? 60 degree. QST we have to find. You may give any variable or you may write as it is. Okay, QST. There is no problem. Okay, you may give any variable for this angle or you should write the angle name as it is, which is equal to 180 degree. Okay. So again 60 degree is a constant number. When it goes to the right hand side, plus 60 become a minus 60 degree. Angle QST is equal to 180 degree minus 60 degree. So which is equal to how much? Angle QST is equal to 120 degree. So this how much we get here? Angle 120 degree. Here we get here a 120 degree. Angle QST is 120 degree. Angle VTS is 110 degree. Okay. Now just observe the figure. So don't observe the extended side, okay? Just observe the normal figure. Here total how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this figure the number of sides are 5. Then this figure is said to be a pentagon. So here we have to use the angle sum property for pentagon. So right here. Angle sum property of pentagon is equal to how much? 540 degree. How it is 540 degree? Here we know that we have a formula, angle sum property of polygon. Here angle sum property of pentagon is 540 degree. We said that. How it is possible? So we have to check that. We know that angle sum property of polygon formula is n minus 2 into 180 degree. Here n is denoted as a side. So total how many sides are in this figure? 5 sides are there. So 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. 5 minus 2 is how much here? 3. 3 into 180 degree is how much? 540 degree. So sum of the angles of the pentagon is 540 degree. The angle sum property of pentagon is how much? 540 degree. Here next, here total how many angles are there? Just check here. Angle P plus angle Q plus angle S plus angle T plus angle V. Total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The sum of these 5 angles is equal to 540 degree. Here should not use angle Q and angle R, which are the extended side. Okay, should not consider this one. Here we have to use the perfect pentagon figure. This is a perfect pentagon figure. The angles are P, Q, S. This is the S, okay. P, Q, S, T, V. This is the pentagon. The sum of these 5 angles is equal to 440 degree. So, next, angle P plus angle Q plus angle S plus angle T plus angle V is equal to 540 degree. Angle P is how much here? 30 degrees. So, write here 30 degree. Angle Q X value. So, keep X as it is. Angle S 120 degree. And keep plus as it is. Angle T is 110 degree. Here angle T has two values. One is the exterior angle and another is the interior angle. We should consider the interior angle, which is 110 degree. And angle V is X. So keep as it is. Is equal to 540 degree. X plus X, total how many X are there? 2X. Here we are going to add these two, means we get a 2X. Keep plus as it is. 120 plus 30 degree is 150. 150 plus 110 is how much here? 30 plus 120 is 150 degree. 150 plus 110 is 260 degree, which is equal to 540. 2 into x, which is a variable, so we should keep as it is, which is equal to 260 should take to the right hand side, which become a minus 260 degree. So how much? 540 minus 260 degree, which is equal to how much we get here? 280 degree. So 2x is equal to 280 degree. Here 2 is a multiplication. When it goes to the right hand side, become a denominator. So x is equal to how much we get here? X is equal to 280 degree divided by 2. So divide here, 2 ones are 140 degrees. So x is equal to how much we get here? 140 degree. This is our value. Here 2 into x. 2 into x is equal to 280 degree. So x keep as it is. When 2 goes to the right hand side, it become a denominator. So you get 280 degree divided by 2. So 2 ones are 140 degree. So x value is how much we get here? 140 degree. Here we have a 2x values. This is also 140 degree and this is also 140 degree. This is our solution. Here I am applying only a 3 step. The first 2 step is linear pair angle for these 2 sides. After then, this figure is a pentagon figure. So I am applying the sum of the angles of pentagon is a 540 degree. This is the solution. So in the 6th D question, they given a figure. Here we have to observe the figure. In this figure, total how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This figure having a 5 sides. That is said to be a pentagon. Okay, this is a figure of pentagon. Here they given one notation is line bar, no? This notation is said to be a equivalent sides. This means in this figure, all sides are equal. Here this is the pentagon figure. In this figure, all sides are equal. Then all sides are equal means definitely it is said to be a regular pentagon. So right here, the figure is having 5 equal sides. Hence, it is a regular pentagon. Hence, it is a regular pentagon. Here, the figure is having a 5 equal sides. If the all sides are equal, then it is said to be a regular pentagon. Here, if the all 5 sides are equal, means definitely the all angles are also equal. Here they given a one angle value as a x. This means all angles are equal to x only. This angle is also equal to x. This is also x. And this angle is also equal to x. And this angle is equal to x. All sides are equal. If the all sides are equal, means definitely the all angles are also equal. Here angles, its all angles also equal. Thus, its all angles are equal. Here first they given a sides. Here the all sides are equal means definitely the all angles are equal. This type of figure is said to be a regular pentagon. This type of figure is said to be a regular pentagon. So, already we know that the sum of the angles of pentagon is how much? Sum of the angles of pentagon is equal to 540 degree. Already we solved that. How to find the this condition? Here the sum of the angles of polygon is n minus 2 into 180 degree. So in number of sides are 5 sides. So 5 minus 2 is 180 degree. 5 minus 2 is how much we get? 3. 3 into 180 is 540 degree. So according to that pentagon formula we have, polygon formula, we have to apply the all examples of polygons. So pentagon is the classification of polygons. So that's why I am applying the formula n minus 2 into 180 degree. The sum of the angles of pentagon is how much? 540 degree. So first we have to label the figure A, B, C, D, E. Here we have a 5 vertices. So the sum of the 5 angles is equal to how much? 540 degrees. So right here, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E is equal to 540 degree. Angle A, here all angles are equal to x. So right here angle A is x, angle B is x, C is x, D is also x, and angle E is also x, because all angles are equal, which is equal to 540 degrees. So count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This means we have a 5x. Here I am going to add the all x, okay? So you should write a 5x is equal to 540 degree. 5 into x, here the coefficient of x is a constant number. When it goes to the right hand side, it become a denominator. It is become a divisible method, okay? If you have in between symbols plus minus, then it become the sign will be changed. Here you have a symbol of multiplication, 5 into x. When it is goes to the right hand side, it become a divisible, okay? So x is equal to 540 degree. Here multiplication is there. When it goes to the right hand side, become a division method, okay? 5 is become a denominator. So 540 degree divided by 5. So cancel, make it cancel here. 5 ones are 5. Okay, 5 tens are 54. Here 4 is the remainder. 5 8s are 40 degrees. So x value is how much here? 108 degree. 108 degree. Here the x value is the 108 degree. This means the all angles are equal to how much here? 108 degree. This is the solution.